Hello and welcome back to part two of the kitchen units, and I have made the wall unit now. Sorry about the last video where I kept on repeating myself about 3 or 4 times, and now I'm sorry about that. Right, and I have taken out the kitchen unit, or to say the sink unit, out of the house, to show you what they like both together and all that. And I will show you the wall unit in just a moment. I've got it in my hand, as you see, and that 4 days to go. 4 days, and as in we're at South Kensington Dolls House Festival. So 4 days, shit, come on, bring it on. And that right, as yeah, this is the wall unit. There's I've made. You see. And all the doors open, and all the doors open. What I have done, and as I said, I've got the kitchen unit out of the house and all that, but I will be putting it back in the house, and I will show you what they're like back in the house, and they're both together. And because I will put this on the wall, and then we'll show you who's what in the house. So yeah, that's what it's going to look like once it's once it's in there. Okay, I'm just going to put my glasses on, and then I'm going to push this one over to one side. Sorry about that. But the units themselves, and then I have made out of 2 and 3 mil basswoods, and that used in the 1 mil in the basswoods on the in the front of the doors and drawers, and plus, like, where on the unit itself, where it's a bit thicker, and what I done was use 2 mil bits and stuck them together to make it 4 mil wide or thick. And that's the same with as the top of the sink unit. But yeah, it's all made out of basswoods, and with different sizes, as you can see. And even the doors are 2 mil thick, but I used 2 bits to stick them together. And yeah, so and it's all made out of basswood. Yeah, before I put them in the house, I'd just like to we'll say to you, and all the door handles and the drawer handles and the sink itself are 3D printed, and so like we have got a 3D printer, and then we did print these off ourselves, and but we're still learning that as well, to make and there's some more better things. But yes, and all 3D printed. So now I will go away and put these back in the house, and come back and show you. Okay, I put the wall unit is in the kitchen now, in the Art Deco House. That is above the sink unit, as you can see, and I think it looks pretty well. The doors do open, as I showed you earlier. Oh no, I don't. I don't think I showed you earlier, did I? Yeah, the doors open. But, and as you can see, the doors open and all the shelves are in, so all I've got to do now is just fill them up. And then what I'm going to do is, there's while you're there, I'm going to put 1 cup, shut up, and now you can see this. What I do, I'll shut that, I'm going to put that in there, and then so it don't seem so bare. So yeah, it's well, I can stand the jug in here if I want to. So yeah, that's all the units are done now for the Art Deco kitchen, and I might add a couple more, but and then I don't think it'll be wall units because I ain't got much room in there, and then I might put a couple of units on the floor, and I've sort of put a washing machine, the tumble dryer and all that in there, so it's and where it is modern, so it's got to be that. Yeah, so thank you for choosing to watch our video again. So if you could please subscribe, push that like button. If you've got any comments, if you can let us know about the kitchen units. Then when we do go up to South Kensington Dolls House Festival, and that hopefully I will do buy some stuff to fill up the shelves, and plus I'm going to get some stuff for the Victorian house, and there's not much because we try to make quite a bit ourselves. So as I said, thank you for choosing our video, and hopefully see you Saturday. So take care, have a lovely day, and have a lovely rest of the week, and we'll speak to you soon. Right, bye bye.